are you guys tired like me of listening to the same old playlist, same old artist, always on Spotify and Apple Music? Well, I'm taking inspiration from an artist creator I will tag below. He does the genre phobic series, and I'm going to be like him. I'm going to take a scan on everynoise.com, listen to a playlist for a couple hours, and come back and give you probably my top three or four songs that I like. So let's start this journey.